If you've been thinking of renovating your bathroom with a bit of colour, but still want that calm, clean feel, then keep watching. Hi, I'm Rachel, Temple Webster's interior designer, and today I'm excited to show you how a young family in Sydney's Surry Hills transformed their 2 bathrooms with Temple Webster. They wanted something stylish, but also super practical, especially with a newborn in the mix. Now, this bathroom isn't the smallest, but when you need to accommodate a shower, separate bath, toilet, and a laundry, suddenly space is of the essence. And the lack of windows meant leaning into some smart design choices to keep things bright and airy. Rather than defaulting to all white, the sage and terrazzo tile combo keeps things clean and bright without feeling clinical. And the brushed nickel tapware brings a soft, elegant touch. Maximising storage was a must. The wall-hung vanity opens the floor visually without sacrificing function, and the large mirrored cabinet adds both storage and helps bounce light around the room. In the shower, they've opted for a luxurious rainfall shower head, and the handheld spout is a perfect solution to rinse off the little ones. Of course, the bathtub had to stay, making bath time easy and enjoyable with their baby. Hidden from view, but big on function, the laundry features a practical gooseneck tap and deep sink, a deal for rinsing, soaking, or whatever the day throws at it. Finished in brushed nickel and paired with the same terrazzo tiles, the laundry ties effortlessly into the overall bathroom design. This bathroom laundry is now a calm space that works beautifully for a growing family. Now let's move over to the ensuite, which brings in a bit more fun. This room is tiny. At a mere 2.1 square metres, every decision had to optimise space. The white mosaics do their job, making things feel spacious, but the terracotta grout is an unexpected twist that gives the ensuite a real edge. And when that same earthy tone hits the floor in the terrazzo look tile, instant wow in a tiny space. Because this bathroom is way more compact, the homeowners went with a simple wall-hung basin. And with the addition of some clever joinery, storage wasn't compromised. The brushed nickel fixtures continue here to tie in with the main bathroom, and the in-wall toilet cistern finishes it off with a clean, uncluttered feel. So, there you have it. 2 bathrooms that feel calm, functional, and just that little bit different. I hope this transformation gives you a few ideas for how to bring colour or a playful touch into your home. You can shop these products and more at templewebster.com.au. And remember to like and subscribe for more home improvement ideas.